ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ అరణ్య అగ్రికల్చర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్లో ఉన్న సో బయోచార్ ఫీల్డ్ ట్రయల్ చూడబోతున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఫీల్డ్లో ఓ 3 years నుంచి ఇక్కడ బయోచార్ డెవలప్ చేసారు కంటిన్యూస్గా. దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ అమేజింగ్ రిజల్ట్స్ హియర్. కుసుమలు.
But here, like if you see from there to here, so compulsorily no biochar. This one is like the same okra we plant. Okay, the height of the plant until this is the height. Okay, this is the 1 kilogram. This is the 2 kilo.
The stem is so big.
Even the pod is also so big. I want to show that. It's like we kept it there. I should have been now.
2 kilos ది బాగా వచ్చిందా?
2 kilos is the best one. You can see the height, and from there if you like another, and
5, 16 or 8 inches.
8 inches. So here number of pods also very high, because some of them we harvested and we ate. Some of them we put the seed, like these. And again, if you going towards more and more, like this is the standardized.
Yeah, you got it optimum. That is a heavy one. High dosage.
You can see.
High dosage.
It's almost the same like first one.
You can see the biochar there.
High dosage one. That plot.
One. So little less dosage.
So you got now the understood. Too much is too bad. Yeah. This secret you should know.
One more thing like soil cracks are more that here it's less cracks.
Yeah.
Like you can just observe.
That also I said.
No, it's like I can clearly see that. You put it like this and then it right.
You mix in the soil. You mix it in the soil, not planted anything except 5 seeds in each plant.
This is 1 square meter experiment. I was telling as miniature in the morning. Same thing. Okay, we'll do one more thing. Somebody hold this one. What we can do is let us uproot and feed the roots.
That one will be easier. Oh,
The best one. But on the rather one
Might be.
Segundo. For the bottom button. No sir, that's so color.
if we can.
Kunkukal. One more. Right, left,
One more. Don't break.
Right.
Don't break. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold it like this. Now you go to the control one.
Best one.
The best one, somebody. Don't break. Yeah.
Like it there, two persons can go there.
Don't break.
Only one plant. Ma'am, this one will be good.
Only one plant. Single plant. Single and back. Some.
And from here,
No, it's okay. This is the report. Undan. This
night side.
नहीं चाहिए but this one different. Come that way, opposite. Light you can see better. Yeah, see the difference.
Only the branches of it.
What are the changes you can tell me now? Observe.
Length of the roots, number of the roots, then
Root hairs.
root hairs, even on this side, because there are too many. Not one.
This there also.
How many times Daya?
More than twice.
How many times?
6 to 7.
Yeah, 4 times minimum. Atla తెలియదు. Agree? And height wise how many times? Double. And branches wise you can count the note. And tell me the note how many are there.
This there, this.
So branches wise you can count the notes even though they are broken. Count here in this one.
1,
Oh,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13.
Okay. Here the notes might be same, but the difference in size.
7. Again we have to calculate. 13, 18, 19, 25. Yeah, how much?
13.
And in branches again.
Again, the breast. Doesn't know. 25.
Almost 3 times we can say if we consider the branches as well.
So in this way, even the fruit will be smaller and the fruit will be bigger. So how many times the yield might have increased?
3 times. Easily like 4-5x because the sizes are also different. No?
Over a 5x time. Okay, you are seeing that. So this is how you should feel. Always uproot after harvest. Even మీరు ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఇది కట్ చేసి ఫ్రేమ్ చేసి ఆడ పెట్టండి
పెడతాను ఈ రెండు
ఈ రెండు యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫ్రేమ్ ఇట్ అండ్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద
मेरा पिस्तौल फ्लिप लो
ऐसे पकड़ते
हाँ तुम खुद तो लो
मैं लेता हूँ
पहले जंगल में शेर को मारे तो ऐसे ही उतरते थे फोटो
अब क्यों करते थे अभी पता चला
हाँ पहले है ना बड़ा शेर को मैंने मारा है तो कौन बिलीव करता है
नीचे जाड़ा है आपके पास
वो हिरन का
No, no. What plant is this? अरे groundnuts.
विदाउट बैट है
ग्राउंड रूट बोलते इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है लोगों को रूट में नट कैसा होता ठीक है इज अ फ्रूट इट्स वेंट डाउन फ्लावरिंग ऊपर होके नील में बीन होता है
నేను సార్ అంతా కలుపొక్కి వచ్చేసింది కలుపొక్కి సార్ मतलब उस साइड
उन्होंने तो फोटो होने के बाद खाएंगे ये तो सीन पल्ली का मोई
वो बल्ले को वो पूरा दम
बयचर
అయ్యో ఏమో బర్డ్ లేపాల పైకి తమకు
ఓకే నా
విత్ బయచర్ వితౌట్ బయచర్
లేపి సాడు కట్టాను
దిస్ ఇస్ బయచర్ ఇదర్ బయచర్
దానికి
హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్
సర్ వితౌట్ విత్ అండ్ వితౌట్
लिसन विद
the smaller one is without
twice at least size number of nuts
height
the number of nuts are more but the size length root beer length is double
ठीक है ना
three size
अभी बोलो बयचर की जोर से बोलो बस
once he feel it
और बायोचार क्या
you will hear the voice from there
like inside that is
नहीं बोल रहा उसके रात को तपने हैं
that is in
this is you hold this one but this is from inside see the leaf size see the leaf size
leaf size also very level box
leaf size one double है ना because same field means same feed then why variation ठीक है ना
very good
we need to carry this one that one
Yeah.
GMP like just we grown in one row
what is it
some wheat variety from Himalaya
okay
so he has given Q seeds that we broadcasted
okay
and this you can see the diversity there's a tomato there's a brinjal there is a what is that radish and within the tomato there is many variety 4 or 5 variety and then wheat is there and then some sorghum is there some maize is there mustard is there potato is there and methi is there at the big South Mountain
it's a muni
so mini is a relatives are there at the very fake him that affect tomorrow
तो हमारे से स्टेट नोट व्यक्ति
wir haben meistens das Abwischen mal an
ఇది 1 kg yeah
1 kilo only inside Saivasta not on the buns 1 kilo 2 kilos 3 kilos 5 kilos the last one is no biochar
1 2
1 2 3 4 5 last one is no biochar
control which one is better
germination is better here all looks in the same size here we don't have that we apply size wise is so density is high that means germination
no what you do is
this 1 kilo
pluck one plant which is the tallest there
that one is 3 that one is 4 that one is 5 last one is no
పద్మ గారు పని చేద్దాము somebody join in 1 2 each one of you stand at each plot and one is at control now within this plot only one plant of one species you select one of the largest one and just uproot slowly don't be in a hurry that is your decision this group decision
in this there are wait
only one
there are common things in this are one is the rosella rosella is common in everything
okay
which you not planted there were seeds are there they came Okay.
You think the same plant?
So what we thought was only tomatoes are the or yieldings can be measured. You can choose any of the best one in this. You can choose near the Rosella.
Rosella.
Rosella is the big leaf one.
Big leaf.
Only one biggest. Not from the bund, not from the only from between.
This one?
This one, see, Rosella, right? Silesh.
మీరు అట్టే పోవాలి.
Urella, ఊరికే చూపిస్తాను. ఇదే, this one.
You can choose the big leaf.
Not from the bunds. From inside. From inside, one of the largest. Slowly pluck with roots. Don't take off the soil.
Yes. Yes, the center one.
ये मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप है आप लोगों को. Only one.
Rosella here.
है रोजिला वो बड़ा लीफ वाला. Plant is the tallest.
Madam,
हाँ बताओ.
very soil is it?
आप दोनों कंपेयर करो, जिसका छोटा है वो बाजू हट जाओ.
Really same sir.
सेम पीपल और बिगर.
ये छोटा है.
नहीं, we compare with them.
This is smaller.
Current or small cell?
For root is longer. Leaf size wise, okay. This is the, but yeah, this is smaller, no. Leaf size, check.
ओके. सी जल्दी करो.
किसका वो अभी वहाँ पे फाइनल?
वो तो यही है, बेटर है. हाँ, वो उधर वाला लास्ट.
ये 5 है.
हाँ.
5 kg. That is dwarfed again.
हाँ, तो ये 2 वाला बेटर है.
5.
अरे ये लीव साइज
This is the control.
कंपेयर करो ना.
कंट्रोल छोटा है. अग्रीड.
हाँ, ये पे टूट गए यहाँ से.
We got 2 kg, huh?
पेस्ट. हाँ, 2.
Insert that is 2. This is 5.
हाँ, कौन सा अच्छा है?
This is
दोनों सेम ही लग रहे हैं.
एक जिम गया, एक जिम नहीं गया. बोलो.
यहाँ पे देखो लीव साइज इसका काफी बढ़ गया है. तो as you can see, this is coming here, it's not. तो ये
एक काम करो, 2 वाला और एक निकाल के बताओ. आपका एविडेंस और एक चाहिए हमको. आप भी और एक निकाल के बताओ. 5 वाला. थर्ड भी.
This is the 2 kilos one.
ठीक है. That's a 30 kilos one. हाँ, third one. No, it's not that one. अरे वो नहीं है ना. वो नहीं है. वही है मैडम. मैडम के साइड में वही है ना. बड़ा या ये लेना.
I have another 5.
ये यहाँ पे है. ये
अभी पकड़ो. अब जीतेंगे. पकड़ो.
ये बड़ा लीव है ना मतलब.
लेंथ भी देखो ना.
लीव देखो ना.
Hey brother.
हाँ, अभी बताओ.
ये नया 5.
ये controlled है.
किसका बड़ा है सबसे?
ये controlled है.
कंट्रोल को छोड़ो मैडम, वो तो गिड्डा है. ये छोड़ो.
Control को
Well, they are both competitive, sir.
ओके, नाउ यू टेल मी विच वन इज विनर टॉप में.
Don't get confused.
2 and 5.
5 is having more roots.
It's
बट एक बात याद रखो, उसका तनखा कम है फिर भी खुश है. कौन है?
2.
आप अमीर आदमी है फिर भी उतना ही है. तो ठीक है, 2 में बेटर काम चल रहा है ना. 5 डाल के क्यों आगे बढ़ते? ठीक है ना.
बेस्ट लगेगा.
हाँ, इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा है.
2 से
ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रहा क्या सर?
एक अच्छा है क्या? देखो, बी हैप्पी विथ व्हाट यू हैव रादर कंपेयरिंग विथ दोस रिच पीपल. अरे फिर भी बोलो ना. हम बजादा खाना खाते इसलिए हम थोड़ा चमकते. बोलो हम क्या बोले. हाँ.
Maybe you can check one more of the fenugreek leaves.
अच्छा, सेकंड वाला गो बैक एवरीबॉडी. कंपटीशन स्टार्ट्स नाउ. फेनुग्रीक.
क्या करना है?
फेनुग्रीक
Tea, which is the big
दो. वो देते. एवरीबॉडी इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. 5 वाले 5 जाओ. 3 वाले 3 जाओ. अरे 3 वाला कहाँ गया? 3 वाला మీరు వెళ్ళండి. అట్ట అది వదిలేసిపోండి. పోండి అటు. అట్లా పోకండి, తిరిగి పోండి. అట్లా కాదు, కనబడదు మాకు.
That is what I don't have any better choice than this.
లేపండి.
Was a healthy, I think.
Any
Okay.
కొన్ని ఇది పెద్దగా అయిన తర్వాత ఇలా వచ్చి
This is over.
అరే దిస్ రోవర్ దిస్
Now this one.
బ్రోక్ ఇస్ వన్ దట్
Or even one easel look.
See, overall by picture wise, tell me which is more greener. This is another technique.
I got the which is greener.
Which box is more greener? Picture wise, if you take snaps like this one after another, which one is more greener?
దాన్ని చంపేసి అక్కడ పడేస్తే ఇలాగా పాతి పెట్టాలి లేకపోతే తీసేవాళ్ళు.
సరే సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఓకే అటెన్షన్.
బాగా డెలికేట్ గా ఇరిగిపోతుంది.
అరే ఇరిగిపోయి అన్ని ఇరిగిపోతున్నాయి.
ओके, ओवरऑल बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन विच वन इज मोर ग्रीनर? मेरे ख्याल से ये ग्रीनर ज्यादा है ना?
बट ग्रीनर ज्यादा है, एलडी इधर हो. A more seeds they put it. Here is the less seed, and then the leaf size. If you see, this one is bigger than all others.
ओके, 2 kg is the winner then. ठीक है, अग्रीड. लेकिन ये कॉपी नहीं करना, क्योंकि फॉर योर रीजन, फॉर योर सॉइल, इट कुड बी 3 kg, इट कुड बी 1 kg also.
Environment is also
not yield sir 1 kg.
Yeah. Then this thing you have to scale up for the whole field. Got it? Next year again repeat same thing.
But sir, just one question. Like even in Abanya, there are different kinds of or a different level of fertilities of soil across the farm. If we have a 2 kg thing here, we can't apply the 2 kg rule across the farm, right?
See, take representative. Even if you have 10 acres, do 5 trials.
Right.
Don't do one and say for whole village.
Different parts we have.
It's illogical. Yeah. Representative sample लेके करो.